Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 88. 88 mile an hour. It's the special. It's not really that special an issue. It should be. They should have made it so 88 was something really cool and special, but it's not. In this issue, we are going to be finishing off sort of the interior of the top bit. We've got some more bracket panels to put in, some seat belts to install. So it's nice, but it's not that nice. So we've got some seat belts to put onto the bits, and then we fit the bits into the car, which is a nice way of doing it. So we put those brackets in, another couple of little masking pieces in place, and then that is that. Then I think next time we might be fitting. No, I think there's a couple of issues away until we fit this to the other bit. So yeah, it's all good stuff. Delorean destruction, the sad one. Yeah, it got blown up at the end and it got run over by the train. Yes, not the flying train, the other train. Yeah, quite cool. He got back in time and then broke it. 88. There we go. Yeah, I don't know why they made it 88. They might tell you in the words. I'm not reading them, so we'll find out. The engine cover is the next bit that we're going to be fitting. So basically the bit that goes over the interior of the back, all the rest of the stuff goes on the top of. So that would be quite cool to do. So let's get these seat belts installed. Okay, yes, some nice fabric seat belts for these. As I said, there's some interior panels, and that's about it. So first of all, we're going to be installing the seat belt to this panel, which is a nice, easy way of doing it. It hides the screw obviously behind the panel, and then the panel can be fitted. Well, I'll get 2 of those screws out, leaving 1 spare because that's the way it goes. And we'll juggle it around and mess around. So let's get that on there. These do have a left and a right. There's a little notch that needs to go into place on there, and then the screw obviously through the back to hold that in place. Yeah, I'm happy enough with that. That works. Let's do exactly the same on the other side. Just like that. Here we go. There's a couple of lumpy bits on there. They're sort of on the inside. I think that's probably to cover a screw. I don't know if it might be part of the actual build. I don't know. So yeah, we'll get there. So we've got these 2 obviously to install in a moment as well. Put them over to one side. We'll move all this over to one side as well because I need to bring in the car itself and get these installed. Let's have a look. I'll bring it in. I won't bother cutting. Just do the moving and the lifting. There we go. So that's there. Just making sure the wing mirrors and doors and everything are all where they should be. So this is going to go on this side. Yes, it's got to go this side. So let's have a look at the other one that you can see a little bit clearer, and I can see a little bit clearer as well. That's the wire that I was a little bit worried about, but I think it's going to be fine. So yeah, that actually just goes underneath there. Matches in with the door frame piece there. And it looks like just a single screw holds that in place. The DM screw does. So that's that there. Then we've got these. I've got the wrong one again. That's going to go over the other side and fill the other side of the door in place like that. Oh, excuse me. 2 screws holding that one in place. I'll get them all done and then I'll show you how it looks when it's finished. Okay, there we go. Panels nicely fitted in there. There is 1 other screw on each side here, which basically holds the lower part in place. But that is that. I am happy. I am glad that that bit's done, but it all works and the doors open and close nicely. So that is that. Open that up again. That is it for the interior of the exterior for now, anyway. I'm sure we will return to it very soon because this soon gets attached to the wheels, and I'm looking forward to that. Next time we're doing this bit on the rear cover. I think it's a standalone bit without this, but we're starting on that bit. So I shall see you very shortly for that. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.